Hello everyone, Millionaire Advice here, and welcome to our video on the best affirmations to become rich. If you're looking to attract wealth and abundance into your life, then you're in the right place. Affirmations are a powerful tool that can help you to reprogram your mind and attract the things you want in life. Today, we'll be sharing with you some of the most powerful affirmations for wealth and abundance. Affirmation 1: I am worthy of abundance and prosperity, and it flows easily and naturally to me. Repeat this affirmation daily to attract wealth and abundance into your life. Affirmation 2: Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. This affirmation helps you to create a positive and abundant mindset around money. Affirmation 3: I am open and receptive to all the wealth and abundance the universe has to offer. This affirmation helps you to stay open to opportunities and possibilities for wealth and abundance. Affirmation 4: I am grateful for the abundance and prosperity in my life. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can attract even more abundance and prosperity into your life. Affirmation 5: I am a magnet for wealth and prosperity. This affirmation helps you to believe in your own ability to attract wealth and abundance. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also benefit from these affirmations. Remember, the more you practice these affirmations, the more powerful they become. Make sure to incorporate them into your daily routine for the best results. And if you have any other tips or affirmations that have helped you attract wealth and abundance, please share them in the comments below. We love to hear from our viewers and learn from each other. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and we'll see you in the next video.